We got turbo. Hey, Bob. What are we gonna do today? Let's roll. Let's go. Let's take it home. There's the MR2. Welcome to my channel. This is Toyotero at oldschoolyotas. All right, so there's the motor. Cleaned it up. I put all your parts on, the injectors, the fuel rail, everything you change, the throttle body. I replaced that. I took the PCV valve out of your motor. It's right here somewhere on the floor. There's all the parts that I took out of your motor. Let's see, PCV, yeah. There's an old PCV valve out of the engine that we got. And I took yours off. It goes right here. I took yours off and I put it on your new engine. Actually took your spark plugs off and put them in here in the coils because they look way better than the ones that came with this motor. I think this motor had original plugs and yours were already replaced. I want to replace them because they look kind of dark and because the motor was not running right. But I'm going to put them in there right now and I'm going to try to crank this motor today. I'm going in right now. I'm ready to go in. So that's what the deal is. That's where I'm at. Hey, okay. Listen to it purr like a kid. Ahí está su máquina, prendida y corriendo muy bien. Ok. Ahora una pinturita y carro nuevo. Bueno. Here we have the finished product. Looks brand new.